Hello everybody, today I will show you how to install RStudio step by step. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Chrome browser or any browser, copy the link from description and paste it. Click on paste and go to http:/. After reaching the site, click on download and install R. Click on download R for Windows. Click on base. Click on download R-4.32 for Windows. After downloading, install it. After installing, click on Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. Click and open it, install it. Now go to Windows search bar, search RStudio. Click on OK. That's it. Your studio has been downloaded. Thanks for watching.